Okay, Miss Green. Let's get ready. And action.
Let's make another cough syrup. To relieve your persistent cough, I've decided to make a different cough syrup from the one we made on episode 14. Before I say any more about this, I'm going to kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. This cough syrup is very good for general chest complaints, and as a bonus, it's also suitable for children. This time I'm going to use licorice root, which is great for respiratory problems, can ease cough and reduce inflammation. Flax seeds. These seeds are safe and effective for throat and bronchial tract discomfort. They can also ease cough and help general chest complaints. Lemon is also great for cough and congestion, and on top of that is packed with vitamin C. Okay, director, are you ready for the montage?
Yes, Miss Green.
Let's go! We're going to use 14 grams of licorice root, quarter of a cup of flax seeds. You can use them whole or crushed if you like. 2 cups of water and a teaspoon of lemon juice. If you are making a larger quantity, then double up all the ingredients. Simmer licorice root and flax seeds until you achieve syrupy consistency. Now this has achieved syrupy consistency and it's time to strain. Make sure you don't boil the mixture too much, otherwise it will become very thick and you will be unable to strain. Now that the syrup has cooled down, you can add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Make sure you mix it well. You can drink a cup of warm or cold mixture as often as you need. For children, give up to 1 teacup a day.
Thank you, Miss Green.
You're welcome. Thank you for watching. If you found our video useful, please leave us a comment and remember to share it with the world.